Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into the Dots detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Dots, which is how&tos.com. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see two fields, one for your email address and one for your password. Enter the email address associated with your account into the first field. Next, enter your password into the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your profile dashboard. In case of any error messages, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you encounter persistent issues, consider reaching out to the Dots support for assistance. Congratulations, you are now logged into the Dots and can explore your network or start new projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.